Hi, my name's Lyndall, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to add page numbers to an InDesign document. I created a basic book to help with this demonstration using facing pages because that's the usual way a book is laid out, and now I want to add page numbers to the document. Let's go ahead and get started. You want to go to Window, Pages, and then choose the A master. Double click on the little icon. I want to put my page numbers in the bottom left and right corners. To show guides, just to help with the layout, press W on your keyboard. Grab the text tool and draw a text box, probably all the way across the page for the moment, and go to Type, Insert Special Character, Markers, Current Page Number, and you'll see the letter A appear on your page. That's really all there is to getting a simple page number to display on your document. However, I want to add something more to mine, and I want to style it a little bit, which you may also want to do just to match your document. I'm going to add the title of the book to this, and I'm going to have it separated by a pipe character. So I'm going to add a space, the pipe character, and then the title of the book, which I'll just go and grab from the front page of my document by copying. Go back to our master page, and I'll just use the paste without formatting, and it'll paste it in the same font that it's already using. However, it has got a return in it, so I'll just take that out. Okay, that's pretty good, but what I might want to do is enlarge the font size a little bit of the page number and change the colouring to suit the rest of the document. I'm going to make that one blue, and I'll make the pipe character orange, and I'm going to make the rest of the text blue as well, but I think I'll make it around about 60%. And I might also make that italic. You can change that in a couple of places. You saw me do it through the menu before, but now I've got it in the top ribbon. Just choose italic. I'm pretty happy with the way that that looks at the moment, except I think I want to bring it all down to align to the bottom margin. That's good. I'm just going to shorten that box a little bit, and now that I've got it where I want it, and I'm happy with the way that it looks, I'm going to copy using Command C and paste, and I'm going to place it onto the other page, the opposite page, the right hand side, and I'm going to align it with the other one, and then I want it all to sit to the right hand side, so I'm going to do that by choosing the Align Right up in the top ribbon here. However, I want my page number to be on the outside, so because I've already styled my page number, I'm going to cut that and paste it at the end. And I'm going to cut the pipe character and its spaces and paste that in between the two. And I'm just going to change the wording here to say a learning resource. And I think I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, I'm going to save, which you can do by doing that, or Command S. And then I'm going to see how that looks on my pages. Now, just because I know what the document looks like, I'm going to choose pages 4 and 5, and you'll be able to see how that looks. As you can see, it works quite well over here. I'm just going to hide the guides for a minute using the W key command, but it's not working over here, so I might want to change the colour of that, and I think you'll probably see that it also doesn't look so good on this background, and there's a few other problems. So, like front page, I don't really want it to appear on the front page, in fact, so let's fix that up first. The way to fix that is to grab the None icon and drag that over top of the cover page, and that will just basically get rid of the styling from the A master. And I think, having a quick look at this one, I probably don't want it to appear on the table of contents either. It's not necessary there, so I'm going to do a None on that as well. However, I probably do want it everywhere else, except I think I need a different colour to appear on these pages. So the way to handle that, there's probably a couple of ways, but this is one of the ways. Go back to the master pages, choose both by holding Shift and just simply clicking on both of those pages. Go to the drop-down menu and say Duplicate Master Page, or a spread Master A. And you'll see that it's added a B, and it also shows a B master up in here, but it's added a B to the page over here. Now the design is exactly the same apart from that, but what I think I want to do on the B master is just create a version which is white. So I'm going to try it with just a white letter and maybe a lighter tint of this. So I might go for about 30%, and I'll similarly do that to, I don't think the orange is a problem, but it might be on some backgrounds, so I may adjust that at some point in the future. Right. Okay, that should be good. Now what we need to do is go back to the pages and look at the page that we've got it on, and instead of using the A master on that page, we grab the B master, and that looks a lot better. I'm happy with that. And similarly, I'm going to do the same with this page, a B master. It's very handy to have multiple master pages, as you can see, and I'm pretty happy with that. So that's how you add page numbers to a document in InDesign.